been coming to Krishna Wellness probably for the last a little over 2 years. It's been great. I've been a yoga practitioner before that, but I've never had this kind of intensity and variety before. And it makes you want to come back again every single day. Despite our crappy work schedules and stuff like that. So it's extremely refreshing, energizing, and Dinesh sir has been very supportive and he's always been extremely encouraging of us, pursuing harder, tougher postures and just engaging our bodies more for overall strength and flexibility.
I'm coming to Sri Krishna Wellness Center for the last more than 6 years. So it is one of the best yoga centers I've seen in this area, in the center of the city. Before this, I've explored a couple of yoga centers, but the kind of flexibility, the kind of confidence that I've got here is different. I have been attending Sham sir's, Dinesh sir's, Dakshayani madam's classes. So all of them are really good. So the main aspect is the focus is mainly on flexibility, strength, health. I have improved a lot in my health benefits. I've got a lot of health benefits. I used to get like headaches sometimes and tiredness for too much of computer work or tiredness in my eyes, etc. So all of these are totally almost gone now. And before this, I have tried in treadmill and other things, but here the kind of strength post yoga class and it has helped a lot for improving the sleep. Even if we have to work late nights and get up early, it is helping me. It is mainly due to yoga that I am getting all these benefits. I recommend each one of you who are around this area or are a little bit far from this area also to come and join the center and experience the wonderful.
I'm coming to Krishna Yoga from past 10-11 years maybe. Now I'm 18. This is such a very beautiful place to focus. Like it's a lot of greenery and many more things. The teachers over here are so supportive, especially Dinesh sir. He is one of the best teachers and it helps me to improve myself in many aspects, even more than yoga also at times. I also recommend everyone.
Actually, I'm a student of this KVM teacher training. Since the past 1 year I'm coming here, it feels great to be a part of this journey. Because of my personal health issues and mental issues, I had joined for the course. In the beginning, I thought it like completely of asana practice, nothing else. But there's much beyond that. And when you really join this, actually you feel so great. Now, earlier my weight was around 80 plus and I've almost reduced 15 kilos. And I feel very happy for that. Even the instructor, Dinesh sir and Sham sir, they are too good. They are very encouraging. They support us in all the way. I feel very great to be a part of.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಯಂತ್ ಗೌಡ. ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಯೋಗ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಯೋಗ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಯೋಗ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ವಿಚಾರಿಸಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಈ ತರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪರಿಸರ ಇರೋ ಯೋಗ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ನೋಡಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 6 ತಿಂಗಳಾಗಿದ್ರು ಅದ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಯೋಗ ಗುರುಗಳಿಂದ. ಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ದಿನೇಶ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ವೆಲ್ನೆಸ್ ಯೋಗ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಥರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Aryan. I'm coming to Sri Krishna Wellness Yoga Center and I like doing yoga, and the most amazing part is like I like Dinesh sir. He teaches me a lot of things and lot of asanas. I have spent 1 year coming to this yoga and like it's so like I'm going to be fit. And it will help us till when we are like 40s or 41s. It can help, so it will give us a guidance.
My name is Anushka. I am from Krishna Yoga Center. I'm very happy to come here all day. Mr. Dinesh sir always teaches us and helps us to do the asanas. I'm very satisfying with all of the asanas which sir makes us to do, we get balance and we get strong, and I'm too flexible now. From the day I started, I'm too much flexible and strong, and I'm always energetic because of this yoga class which I come to 5 to 6 batch, and I'm very happy.